because now BJP has hit out at Congress, specifically Rahul Gandhi, asking him to stop insulting the democratic choice voters have made in the country. BJP has said that this is an attempt to destabilize the country. In fact, Ravi Shankar Prasad condemned Rahul Gandhi's Gen Z remark very strongly, saying that right now the leader of opposition is trying to weaken democracy in India, incite violence and bring in anarchy in the country. Remember, this was in reference to an earlier post which was made by Rahul Gandhi on X, in which the leader said, and I quote him here, "The nation's youth, the nation's students, the nation's Gen Z will defend the constitution, protect democracy and stop vote theft. I always stand with them." This was the latest tweet of Rahul Gandhi regarding vote theft and his Gen Z remark, to which now BJP has reacted very strongly. BJP accused the Congress, saying that they are failing to get votes and therefore they are now trying to come in power through these other means.
ने कल शाम 7:05 में एक ट्वीट किया है। देश के युवा, देश के स्टूडेंट, देश के जनरेशन जे संविधान को बचाएंगे, लोकतंत्र की रक्षा करेंगे और वोट चोरी को रोकेंगे। आई रिपीट, राहुल गांधी put up a post on the social media at 7:05 in the evening. The youth of the country, the students of the country and Gen J will safeguard the constitution and democracy and stop the stealing of the votes. क्या कहना चाहते हैं राहुल गांधी? आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं? कि एक जन जे के नाम पर देश में आप अराजकता फैलाना चाहते हैं? ये बहुत गंभीर सवाल है और ये पूरा ट्वीट किया गया और उनका इकोसिस्टम ने जन जे के नाम से ट्वीट करना शुरू किया। ये बहुत गंभीर विषय है। राहुल गांधी जानबूझकर लोकतंत्र को कमजोर कर रहे हैं, देश में अराजकता फैलाना चाहते हैं और हिंसा अराजकता को उकसा रहे हैं।
Any other institution, or he cannot shift the focus to something else. And whatever the narratives Pakistan creates, same narrative is propounded by Rahul Gandhi and his company here in India. So we have realized in last so many years, whatever Rahul Gandhi and his left group speaks about and tries to create a narrative in India, same thing is found to be used by the anti-Indian groups and the elements in Pakistan. So that similarity we have found over the years.